welcome to Workout Victim. This is the show where I give you an alternative fitness option every single day. I'm here at the Amatra Spa today in Chanakipuri with my workout victim. Hey Rahul.
Hi.
Everyone, this is Rahul Agarwal. Rahul is in college and he also does some very interesting work otherwise. Tell us what you do.
Okay. As of now, academically, I'm pursuing my graduation from Delhi University final year.
You.
And professionally, I'm into events. So, and off late, I've started stage hosting.
Wow.
Okay. That's actually wow.
It is. It sounds really good. What do you do for fitness?
For fitness, I eat a lot. Actually, I'm not a fitness freak at all. I do not pay attention to my fitness, and that's why I've grown this. And that's what I want to lose.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. But you do some yoga, right? You were telling me about it.
Okay, I'm a part of this organization called the Art of Living. So we have courses for the youth, and yoga is a part of that. We do the Surya Namaskar.
Yes.
The Yes Plus, yeah,
Yes.
the Youth Empowerment Seminar Plus.
Very nice courses.
Yeah, so we've done the meditation, yoga. In yoga, we do the 12 round Surya Namaskar. And trust me, after doing that, you can actually feel strain on every particular muscle of your body. And that works out.
Nice.
You must do it.
Yeah, I was thinking about it. Actually, we really want to cover it for one of our shows. So that would be very interesting.
I do welcome that. I do welcome you for that.
You think so?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, but today is going to be very different from you because we're actually going to be taking you in a gym.
A gym?
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you done gym workouts before?
I've done my ab routines earlier, but not a lot.
Not a lot?
Yes.
Ab routines?
Ab routines.
Okay, so we have Rahul. He's very talkative and we're going to be, he loves talking. So we're going to be taking him inside the gym and doing some interesting workouts.
Is that going to be tough?
Weight. Is it going to be tough is a good question. Why don't I'll let the instructor answer that. Her name's Monica and she's waiting for us inside.
Okay, so let's meet her.
Okay guys, you catch us once we're in the gym. I'm here at the Amatra Spa here at Ashoka Hotel in Chanakipuri today. And this is Rahul. He is the victim.
Hi.
He is being victimized.
God help me.
All the best. By Monica.
Hi. Hi.
Monica is the victimizer and I'm instructor for the day. Monica, meet Rahul.
Hi. You all ready?
Yeah,
Kind
he
of,
is.
kind
We've
of.
gotten him strapped into this machine. It's called the chest press.
Yes.
And Monica, please take over. Let's see what he
So
has
he's
to
going
do.
to start working on the chest, okay? And then we go to the, I've already fed in the data. Now you can start the machine,
Okay.
okay? Yeah. Keep the chest up and you need to press it forward. Yes. Good.
Is that very heavy for you, Rahul?
Not exactly. I'm very heavy.
He's
All
good
right.
with it.
How many reps does he have to do?
12?
12 reps.
Yes, 12.
Come on, Rahul, you can do this. There you go. Very good. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. What is the weight that he's lifting?
30? It's not
30
much.
kgs?
Rahul, it's not much. Okay.
How did you determine this for him?
We do an 1 RM test on this.
Okay.
That is the maximum resistance.
Right.
And then after that, we decide how much of weight we can put. So 80% of the weight, 80% of RM,
All right.
we give the weight. Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, you're
Last
done.
one.
You're done. Last
Relax.
one. And
Relax. Yes.
Well done. How do you
Thank
feel?
you. It's amazing.
He is truly the victim for the day. And I think we've got
that all?
something.
Yes.
Is that all?
No,
it's not. We've got something really cool planned out for him, which
Yes.
Monica's going to show right now.
It's not this kind of circuit training. So we are going to work on the ball. We're going to do the push-ups.
Okay.
On the ball. So I sit right in front of the ball. You roll out. You roll out to the ball.
Wow.
Awesome.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Start with the push-ups. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, Rahul,
Wow.
you're going to do that.
You mean I have to be doing that right now?
Yeah. You're on
Yeah.
the ball.
That's a ball bigger
It's
than me.
not
No,
difficult.
it's not. Come on. And don't worry, it's not going to burst.
I hope it doesn't.
No, I'm sure it wouldn't. Go ahead.
Yes.
Not bad.
That's good. Okay.
Hey, that's very good.
Good.
He has some
Two more.
incredible balance.
Okay.
So
Last
this is
one.
like, this is not a normal push-up.
This is not.
How is this different from a normal push-up?
Because you
Did
are
I do it all right?
your leg.
Yeah,
Yes,
you were
that was
good.
That was good. Good. You know, this is an unstable surface.
Right.
You're balancing yourself on this. At the same time, you're doing the push-ups. And then you're changing the plane. It's
Okay.
not on the same plane. So it makes it more difficult.
Makes it good. Did
Yeah,
you find
more
it was more
challenging.
difficult from a normal push-up?
It actually was. You
Yeah?
got to balance it simultaneously.
Is it easy?
It was good.
It was good?
Not as hard as I thought it.
Not as hard. Okay, well, my turn to try this out now. I'm sure I'm going to be all over the place. You think so? Okay, so I just roll forward, right?
Yes. Then keep the abdominals contracted.
What?
Oh.
Hey, this is really
How to
hard,
balance.
bruh.
Yes. Let it go down.
Wait a minute.
Keep the palms facing out.
Yeah, but I'm falling off. Okay, guys, I really gotta focus here. Go away. Well, we've still got our workout victim, Rahul. He's still alive, and he's strapped now to another machine.
My God, I am.
Yes, he is. This is Monica. She's been victimizing him all day today.
Oh, I love it.
I know.
So do I.
Yes.
Good, good. So what is this that he is in right now?
This is a machine which is you can call a compound machine. It gives you a compound workout.
Okay.
It's covering the complete all the parts of your leg muscles.
Okay.
Okay. So it covers the back of you. That's called the glutes, and your
Right.
hamstrings, and your quadriceps.
Okay.
So it's a good workout for the legs.
All right.
So,
Okay.
shall I?
Yes.
How does he get started?
Now you will keep the feet right at the center.
Okay.
You press this. You put him on 50 kilos.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going.
Good. Yes.
Go for it.
Good.
Is that hard?
No, not actually.
So I think I
And
can
it would
put him on
be
more
after
weight.
a few
Yes.
repetitions. How many reps does he have to do of this?
12.
12. All right, that's
I'll do
fine.
20. I'll do 20.
Oh, great.
Oh my goodness, we've got a really enthused workout victim here.
I have to lose weight.
Hey, that's the one.
Good.
So this is for strengthening, is
Yeah,
it?
this is for strengthening. This is for strengthening your leg. Keep
Well,
going. Keep going.
Summer, Rahul.
I want to sweat.
2 more.
And last one.
Yes. You relax
Very
now.
nice. And relax.
Oh.
Relax. Relax.
Whoopee!
All right. So, how do you feel? How was the workout for you?
This one's better than the earlier ones.
Okay.
It's actually good, as in I can feel the pressure here.
Okay.
I hope it works for me.
I'm sure it would. I'm sure. What about the workout that we did earlier with the Swiss ball in it?
The ball was something good, a ball bigger than me. Nice to have a look at that.
Rahul was
Yeah,
like, is this going to burst? No.
It was actually fun. And then the chest exercise, I did feel the strain here. But I think I would be doing all this and I would eventually end up losing some weight.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice. Do you have a question for our instructor?
Okay, so Monica, tell me, what is the best way to lose weight?
I would say the best way to lose weight is to exercise, eat the right food, and basically the most important thing is to discipline your life, you know.
Discipline.
Consistency is
Yes.
the key word.
Yes,
Consistency.
consistent.
Whatever you do it consistently.
I've heard of this thing as in, okay, I follow this, that drink a lot of water and you tend to lose weight. So what do you say about that? As in, what is the correct amount of water to
No,
drink?
there is no definition or there is nothing like, you know, drinking a lot of water and losing weight. Yes, you should drink good amount of water, which is required,
Okay.
you know, which is generally told to us by the doctors also. But do nothing which is in excess.
Even there is such a thing
Yes.
as drinking excess water.
Yes.
I mean, a lot of people don't know that, but if you drink way too much water, it's not really good for you.
It's not good.
You have to have everything in moderation.
Balanced,
Yeah,
yes.
the right amount of water.
Yes.
Yeah. And
Yes.
definitely in India, it's very hot. It's
Yes.
really sultry. So you're, especially if you're working out, you need to replenish that.
Yes.
Ask me.
But you don't need to drown yourself in water.
Yeah,
either. So don't go
absolutely,
overboard
yes.
on it.
I'll go to the pool for drowning.
Yeah, you do that. Go for pool parties.
Okay, thank you, Monica.
Thank
You
you,
enjoyed the
Monica.
workout today?
Thank you so much. We had a really good workout.
Thank you.
Thanks, Rahul.
Thank you.
You were good, yeah?
Thank
are
you.
Are you going to keep working out now?
I would have to eventually, yes.
Yeah, especially if you want to lose weight.
Yes.
Especially with the Swiss ball.
Swiss ball one. That he just thought was really good
It
fun.
needs a lot of practice, you know. So
I would have to.
Monica, how does one get in touch with you for classes?
they will get in touch with Amatra Spa
Okay.
and just get in touch with them and they give you all the details.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
If you guys want to know more, you can of course just write to me at metronation@ndtv.com and I can get in touch with you. And we want to know all about you, everyone. Why you want to be our next workout victim? Do write in. Thanks very much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.